pagkakataon na nasaktan na bigo. Mukhang delikado na naman ako. Bakit ba kinikilig na naman ako? Pero ngayon ay parang kakaiba. Pag nakatingin sa iyong mata, ang mundo ay kalma.
Literal na delikado, kasi parang nahuhulog na naman ako. Hindi ko na idadaan sa biro pa, pero gusto kong sabihin na ang awkward kung paano kita nakilala. Happy Mother's Day! Isn't it awkward to say that to someone you just met? Or to start a conversation? That is definitely out of nowhere. I instantly became a mother with no child at all. An advanced greeting from someone made me laugh. By that time, I already broke up with not so considered ex of mine. Name it, but I can just consider him as my first love. All my thoughts that time, lumilipad na. Hindi na alam kung saan napapunta. Somehow, we didn't make it. It didn't work. And he bravely said that, kapal naman ng mukha nun. These words were stuck in my head as we've known each other for too long. Actually, kaya kong maki-vibe with boys or guys but feel a platonic relationship with them. But this guy made that perspective of mine gone. He made me believe in love again. Hindi ko akalaing may in love ako ulit, pero pasilip lang yan. I wanted to tell you kung gaano ako nagkimkim ng feelings ko. Nasa tingin ko, the best decision that I ever made in my life. If you ask me how did I met my man, one question that had an intriguing answer, of course. I met the man of my life through the internet. I guess God gave me the right man to love, but the distance, wag na lang natin pag-usapan. Aminado ako sa sarili ko na parang mali yung ginawa kong desisyon kasi he was the friend of my ex. And I suddenly felt a spark when I saw his face. I saw his picture online. Hindi ko lubos akalain na yung taong minamahal ko ngayon, kaaway ko lang dati. Now we're together for 3 years and we're still counting. We faced many arguments together. We love each other through our thick and thins. The thing is, how did we get this far? Kasi naging pundasyon namin si God, and we both entrusted our lives with God. I want to boast the love of God sa buhay ko. I want to expose how I am so deeply in love by His words. How God indulged me into something different. Na kapag minahal ko si God, matututunan kong magmahal ng iba, lalo na't matututunan ko ding mahalin yung sarili ko. God told me that love is something unexpected and unknown, and being loved is everything.
Okay, gandang pagmasdan ang iyong mga mata, kumikinang-kinang. Di ko maintindihan ang iyong mga tingin, labis ang mga ningning. Langit ay bumaba, bumababa pala ang tala. Tumingin ka sa aking mga mata at hindi mo na kailangan pang magtanong ng paulit-ulit. Ikaw lang ang iniibig, at kung di kumbinsido'y magtiwala ka. Hawakan ang puso't maniwala na ikaw lang lang siyang inibig, ikaw lang ang iibigin.
Ayun, sino nga ba namang hindi kikiligin sa man na nagbibigay siya ng assurance, nagbibigay sa'yo ng love, and ang mahalaga, nagkikare siya for you. Paano ba naman? Araw-araw kang ina-update, lagi kang chinachat, and he cares about you kung gaano ka kapagod sa buong araw mo because he will provide the rest for you. Tuwan-tuwa lang ako kasi every time I rant or kahit nagagalit man ako, binubuhos ko na lang sa kanya. Pero hindi siya nagagalit. He is all ears. Pinapakinggan niya ako. And he never let me be alone sa mga problems na pinagdadaanan ko.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
I asked him what music would we dance to if we met. And then he told me he will play 90s song or old songs, and I thought of Can't Take My Eyes Off You. He agreed, and he told me that I will dance you even until the midnight and until we see the break of dawn. Sabi niya sa akin nun, like, it's a sweet thing to do for couples, to dance. But somehow, the distance affect us. And by the way, this audio is entitled Love is Something I Don't Know, because someone remind me that love is something that hindi naman talaga natin alam. Pabigla-bigla na lang. Bigla ka na lang makakaramdam ng spark sa puso mo na makikita mo yung guy o yung right girl na para sa'yo. It just surprise you. Love is a surprise. Hindi mo akalain, bigla-bigla na lang nandyan. Hindi mo akalain na sa gilid-gilid mo lang, malay mo, katabi mo na ba ang love life mo sa buhay. Sabi nga ng iba, kapag nagmahal ka ng isang tao, you cannot measure how they love you, or you cannot measure how you love them. Hindi masusukat ang pagmamahal sapagkat naipapakita ito through your actions, your words, your languages, the love languages specifically, na pinapakita mo sa kanila. That's how much you express your love for them. Kaya, love is something I don't know kasi hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam sa sarili ko kung bakit nahulog ako sa lalaking hindi ko naman akalain na magiging close ko or magkakatuluyan kami dalawa. And now, he became a part of my life. I want to see a family with him. The future yet await us. But there was a time that someone fell in love with me, and I don't know what should I do. Should I give up, or should I just keep chasing fade meds?